This is John with WTI. And I'm a guy who sweats a lot, who lives in a hot environment, humid environment, and having a protection like this motion sense deodorant, it just does a great job. And what I like about this one is how well it covers you for a long time. Like for real. We'll play basketball, we'll play football, we'll play any sports, and you feel fresh and at the same time well covered. So this gives you an ease of mind. So you can use this, and it's being so convenient because you pretty much can take it anywhere. Put it in your bag, gym bag, or when you go to, you're about to do sports, do a little bit of this, and you're just gonna feel comfortable. It has a nice, but at the same time subtle sense that you don't have to put too much, and you're about to do sports. It's not like you gotta have like a deodorant that feels like a cologne. No, this one is effective, light scent. It's not gonna give you a headache because it has too much cologne or perfume in the whole scent. Just what you need. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.